Damn, I look like a snack. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe this is actually me. I don't think so. Okay, let's actually get very serious right now and let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you are new here, please do stick around and do watch this entire video at the end. Don't forget to subscribe. If you are a returning subby, thank you so much for tuning in. Guys, I feel so stunning. Today's video is actually quite different. I am here to actually showcase this beautiful unit that I bought. It's not sponsored. How I wish it was sponsored. I wish all these hair stores can actually just send the hair right away to me. Like, the girl is in need. I mean, I do have wigs. I mean, quite a number of wigs, but I still want to explore more. Otherwise, today I am actually here to showcase this beautiful hair that I actually got from Shara Hair ZA. It's a beautiful, stunning unit. As you can see, it just looks flawless. It looks very beautiful. I literally didn't have to do anything much. You guys are going to see on the video that will follow just right after this intro. I didn't really have to do anything much to style this hair. It just went straight to my head and it just came out this beautiful. At first, when I actually was selecting the unit, I was kind of skeptical. I was like, you know what, I don't really know maybe if it's actually going to suit me well, but you know what, let's actually just take a risk. But it actually turned out very good. Like, I am in love with it. There's nothing that I can say, there's nothing that I can do. This literally, I can tell it's not really my vibe, but like, it's gonna be my vibe now. So in this video, I am going to show you guys how I style the wig, and at the same time I'm going to share some information of how I bought the hair and how long it took and how it feels, because there's no need for me to actually shoot this video and then wait for a couple of days, weeks, months to actually do a review. I'm going to do a first impressions review right now. So yeah, let's get to it. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so this beautiful hair is from Shara Hair ZA. As you can see, that's their Instagram handle, and it came in a dash bag. And what was inside is the bonnet or the bonnet. I like it very much, and literally the hair itself, I am not gonna lie, the first time when I unboxed the hair, I was like, when it came out, I was like, so lightweight, I can just rock it on like that. And the way they made it, it's just flawless, man. Like, they took their time to sew it on, but it's done in a very professional way. I got a straight Pixie cut, and this was literally just 650 rand. Not expensive at all. From the inside, there's nothing much really. It just only has the strap, only that strap. It doesn't have any you know, those grip combs. No, it doesn't have that. Can you see that? It just, I can't believe it. See, the way you just put it on, you can literally just style it in any way you actually like. So I just use my fingers around it. Just use my fingers and okay. I want to get that Riri vibe. I actually want to get that Riri vibe. It's no hassle, and it just takes a few seconds, few minutes to style it into your own vibe. How cute is this? I didn't even have to use my flat iron to actually just style it. Like, it just sits there and you're just ready to go. Let me also show you the back. How stunning. What you can do to maintain it also is just to treat it at times. Obviously this is hair, so it will need some treatment, so whenever you get to wash your wig, just get to use a shampoo and conditioner. My go-to shampoo is a Tresemme shampoo. It's a shampoo silk, yeah, shampoo silk, Tresemme, and the conditioner as well. It helps the wig hair to actually remain silky and smooth. I look like a hun. I look like a babe. Guys, like I love it when an item actually gets to suit me so well, and I'm like, I didn't really have to struggle. It was no hassle to actually go through the, no, like if I buy something, I really want it to suit me, and because my hopes are, you know, I'm paying money for it, so I'm hoping for it to actually suit me very well. It actually took a couple of days to get here. I ordered okay, I can't recall the dates, but I will put it up. I ordered then, but it took a couple of days. I think almost like 5 days, over 5 days, because there was also a weekend in between. I would also recommend if you also go and get yourself one. It's beautiful. You can see, like, you can dress it up, you can dress it down, anyhow you like. If you want to look cute and be a hot babe or a chill babe whatsoever, like, this is a go-to wig, trust me. You're not gonna regret it at all. Otherwise, thank you so much for tuning in, and until next time, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, do comment on the comment box down below if you actually enjoyed this video and if I should do more of these type of videos. Otherwise, until next time, see you guys, bye.